Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Don't shoot at yourself.
Charge!
Why don't these work? These green ones don't work. It pokes out. I don't like that one.
There's a blue one right there. And right there. I know that was perfect, by the way. I have a hard start coming. Oh. What'd you do? That wasn't me. That was my dad.
That's why we wear glasses.
You shot somebody in the eye?
What is that?
Who? Nick?
Yeah.
Because he's laying down. You act like you died?
No, you're down for 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
15 seconds.
I don't like these green bullets. They don't work. They're a joke. And maybe I just don't know what I'm doing.
That one really hurt, Mommy. Mommy, that
Do not follow me! I don't have any bullets. That was a face shot and a half. You hit me twice in the mouth.
Here, see.
Oh, I'm gonna have welts on my face. Okay, no close range shots. I already got hit in the mouth.
Please, go, go, go!
Yes. Oh, Michael!
Okay, here's the bullet. Here, give it to me. Yes! I'm standing on
You are great at headshots.
Two. Thanks.
You can't come and ambush the heck out of me. That's not cool. You can't come in my face and just shoot my head.
Wait, who's my head?
Connor shoots my head.
Sorry. Take this gun with you. I should take this gun with you.
I don't have any bullets anyway. Why do you have all the weapons but no bullets?
I don't know. I'm telling these people.
There's no bullets up here. They're just these.
I know.
And these don't work.
I know.
They won't stick in the gun. They're jokes. I don't like them. I only like the blue ones. I'll pay more money for the blue ones.
Asher, come up here! I have so much ammo! My mom's right there! It's mine! I think it is. I get shot so many times up close.
Nick shot me in the mouth.
I got hit in the cheek. Watch out for that mega bullet. Just put your hands in front of your face.
I'm hot. I want to break and go take off my clothes. Why are we all over here? I don't want to be over here with you people.
I need something. Gosh, good.
Ooh, blue bullet.
I just got that.
My bullets don't work.
You're down here?
Yeah, well, no one else is. I was looking for ammo. I am like hot. Ooh, blue.
Don't shoot me! Where's Nick?
I almost got Nick in the head.
I hit a couple people in the glasses.
Oh, my glasses are getting blurry. Nick is over there. Come on, Who's there? Astro, go on your back!
Bounced off the wall and got my bullet back.
Now we're doing your dance! Ow!
Retreat!
Retreat! Yes!
What'd that hit?
Time out. Reload. Time out. Reload. Energy reload. Energy food reload. Bullet reload. 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
5 minutes to reload and get a snack.
Okay, can you take this thing off my head? Because I need to take my shirt off.
It's still running.